You've heard the buzz about AI, ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL-E, but what is it? Really, and how does it think? In this video, I'll explain artificial intelligence from scratch, in plain language. AI isn't magic, it's pattern recognition at scale. It reads massive amounts of data and learns relationships between words, images, and actions. When you ask ChatGPT a question, it doesn't know, it predicts what's most likely to come next, based on what it's seen. You'll learn about neural networks, training data, tokens, and prompts, without the confusing math. I'll show how AI understands context, why it sometimes makes mistakes, and how to talk to it effectively. Then we'll move to practical use. Writing, coding, design, business automation. You'll see how people use AI daily, from saving time to launching startups. By the end, you won't just understand AI, you'll feel how to think like it. And that's the key to mastering the future.